is time to open up my Walmart beauty box for spring 2026. This is the second box that I've gotten now since they supposedly revamped things. They went up from $6.98 to $8.98, and these boxes do come quarterly, so you get them for each season. And so yes, it went up $2, but instead of, I think it was 5 to 6 items you were supposed to get before, you're supposed to get 6 to 7 now. And my winter box did not deliver on what seemed like it was supposed to be, you know, the hype they were putting out. So we are going to see how my spring box does. However, I will say that for the winter box, I was able to use some things as stocking stuffers and things like that. So I'm fine with it. It's still, I feel like the price was fair. It just didn't deliver what I felt like they were claiming they were going to give. But anyway, this is my spring box here. And the first thing that I noticed is there is no version kind of label on here that the ones in the past have said, like what variation they are or whatever. So I'm wondering now if they're all the same or not, or they're just maybe not telling you a certain variation number or something like that. I'm gonna get this open and then we'll see what's in it. Okay, so I just opened here, and I always like to give just a really quick, well, we've got Spring Beauty in Bloom here. And this, I noticed they don't have a like cover on it. Whoop. Did you see? Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Whoop. Yeah, I think you already did. But anyway, I usually try not to look. But we're going to see what's in this one. I'm so hoping it's better, though, than my winter one was. Because that one was like, I just wasn't real thrilled with it. So first off, we have Hask Soothe plus Tree Tea and Oil. Nope. Try that again, Danielle. Soothe plus tea tree oil and rosemary. A scalp care shampoo and scalp care conditioner. Wow. Blah, blah, blah. Hopefully that's not an indication of how the rest of this video is going to go. But anyway, so we've got some foil packets here. I never mind getting those as long as there's other really good things in the box, because we travel quite a bit, and sometimes I don't love like the shampoo and conditioner that are at hotels like that they provide. So I like to have things like this that I can use when we're, you know, traveling. So that is fine. And I've never used this particular brand before, and I will say, can you see how red my scalp is? We just spent 3 days at amusement parks. That's the traveling we typically do. And yeah, the one day I got pretty fried. I'm mad at myself for that, but okay. Moving on. So the next thing is Good Molecules. Oh no. I'm just gonna leave that right in there. Good Molecules. Yerba Mate. Is Yerba Mate? I think it's how you say it. Wake Up Eye Gel. I've heard of this before, but I don't believe I've ever had it. So that's the box, and then I will open it up and show you, because I'm sure it's a tube. It doesn't want to come out of the box. Maybe I need to open it from the other end. Sure, yep. Oh, it's like a metal tube. Okay, I wasn't really expecting that. So it looks like this. And so, okay, an eye gel. Let me tell you, I've definitely been noticing lately the circles under my eyes. So I'm like, ooh. I mean, I know I'm more tired than typical just because of life things, but I feel like, wow, it's really been kicking my butt with that. But okay, next thing. This is La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Cleanser for normal to oily skin. And I do have oily skin, so that is that. However, I will say I will probably pass this on because I really don't use cleansers. I typically use, this might sound terrible, but just a makeup eraser, and then I put on some moisturizer. That's literally what I do. I just, sometimes a makeup wipe, but typically a makeup eraser does the job, and so I don't bother with cleansers. All right, next is Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. Okay, now we're talking. Because like I said, I mean, give me a break. I'm going to be 48 on April 12th. And so, you know, I mean, I expect that I'm going to have wrinkly things going on. I'm totally fine with that. But anything that will help a little is good. So this says clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Non-irritating, gentle for daily use. So, okay. I'm excited to have that. This is Origin Himalayan Jasmine Serenade. Mountain Marigolds Laugh with Jasmine. Ew. Okay, so the packaging is really cute. The reason I'm eating is because I don't usually do very well with florals. So we are going to spray this on here and see what happens. I mean, I'm smelling it. Yeah, like, it's not a bad smell. It's not at all. It's just, I know on me, because I am a migraine sufferer and I also just get headaches very easily, especially from scents, and florals just do not play well with me. So, yeah, it smells good, but I know it's not going to be something that I can wear. So I will just pass that on to somebody else. All right. Next up, we have, oh, yes. Okay. I'm so thrilled about this. This is Guru Nanda Premium Whitening Strips. Gradually whitens teeth with each use. No mess, dry strip technology. I'm sorry, you guys. It's been a long day. I've been up since, I don't know, 4 something. So with natural coconut oil, and there are 14 strips, 10 professional plus 4 express, and it comes with a shade guide. Like, what? So funny, because when I was just at the dentist, I said to my hygienist, she's like, do you have any questions about things? I was like, yeah, I wanted to ask you about like what you would suggest for teeth whitening. And she goes, why? I'm like, well, because I feel like I need it. And she goes, you do not need teeth whitening. And I was like, okay, if the hygienist is telling me that, that makes me feel a lot better. But I do just feel, for some reason, like my teeth look not as white as normal, and I drink a lot of coffee. Okay, so I mean, I know why, but she did recommend using Crest White strips actually, but I haven't bought any yet, so I will go ahead and use these and try these out. So I'm very excited about that. What perfect timing. And then I think the last thing in here, because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, this is number 7. So it's just a little paper worm thing. I am interested to see here. Let me get the paper worms out before I look too close at it. Is the Tangle Teaser Detangling Hairbrush. This one says for hair that's prone to breakage. Okay, unique gentle pattern to minimize hair breakage. This absolutely is what I need. Okay, this is absolutely is what I need. Hold up 1 second and I'll show you one that they sent me before. So in a previous Walmart beauty box, they sent me this Tangle Teaser detangling brush, but this is for curly, coily hair, which I clearly do not have. And I actually was going to give this to my son and I forgot. So it's been down in my cupboard. I'll keep that up. But so this one is actually for my hair type. So what I'm saying is, when Walmart beauty box can really be amazing sometimes, like getting full-size hairbrushes. So as long as it's one that actually works for your hair type, which there is a, you know, like a little questionnaire thing that you can do to tell them about your skin type, your skin tone, like your eye color, like all that kind of stuff, you know, to be able to give them ideas for the types of products you need. So I thought it was so weird when they sent me that curly coily hair one, because I'm like, hello, I definitely didn't put that in my, you know, little profile thing or whatever. So I am excited about this one. Okay, so I was going to say this might show things that I could have gotten but didn't, but it actually just shows the products that I got. So we have the Hask Soothe plus Tea Tree Oil Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. The full size of these are 16 fluid ounces and are $7.97 each. So just so you know for that. Then the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. So it doesn't say what the full size, and maybe this is the full size. This is 0.5 fluid ounces or 15 milliliters. It says the full size is $5.97. I'm thinking this must be a full size, because that seems like a pretty typical size for an eye gel. So, okay. The La Roche-Posay Purifying, it's Toleraine, I think. Toleraine Purifying Foam Cleanser. The full size is $19.97. This is obviously a sample, but... So, okay. I'm never spending $20 for a cleanser. Just saying. Then we have the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. Obviously, this is a sample too. This is 0.75 ounces. The full size is 1.71 ounces and is $11.97. The Origin Himalayan Jasmine Eau de Parfum. The full size is $19.97. This is a full size Granada teeth whitening strips. This is $10.47 for 14 pieces. So how awesome that that's a full size. And then we've got the Tangle Teaser, the Essential Detangler, Extra Gentle Turquoise, and this is $12.97. So I got 3 full-size products. These 2 that I'm definitely super excited about. And then we got the little kind of sample ones, but still they're good ones and good sizes. Oh, and the sample perfume. So 4 actually sample size ones and the 3 full size. This is what made me fall in love with Walmart Beauty Box way back when I first started. I have a whole playlist if you would like to check any of them out and see what I've gotten over the past several years. Because man, there have been some really great ones and there have been some that aren't so great. However, none of them, I don't think any have been like super, super bad where I've been like, wow, even what I spent for this when it was $6.97, like it was, or $6.98 or whatever, that I felt like I got gypped somehow or something. You usually get far more than what you paid for. So if you figure I paid $8.98 plus tax for this box, okay? And just one of these products, I mean, just the teeth whitening cost more than that, let alone the brush, the full size eye, gel, and then having those other samples. So I would say that this spring 2026 Walmart Beauty Box is a total hit. I am so thrilled with this. And yeah, so what do you guys think? Like, do you think this was a good box? I definitely have to go check out other people's videos now to see what they got and see if we got the same things or if things are still different, but you just don't get to see ahead of time, like a version or something like that, or variation, whatever. But thing I'm most excited about, I mean, I'm super excited about this brush, I'm not gonna lie, but it's the teeth whitening strips. So I hope they work well because the timing was just way too perfect. And so yeah, I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you again. I won't say very soon because, as you may have noticed, my videos are pretty spaced out these days on this channel because I have a book channel, Bookburger, that I will link up here if you would like to check that out. If you are a reader, if reading is a hobby of yours, something that you enjoy, please check out that channel. I have so much fun over there. I post there 2 days a week. So that came out really weird. 2 days a week. And I just am loving it so much. So definitely come and hang out with me over there if you enjoy reading, or if you know someone who does, please let them know about it. But I do know I have a video coming up at least at the end of April if I don't have one before then. So I will talk to you guys again fairly soon. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.